Hey guys, I'm here. This is my YouTube channel, The Garden Givers. So guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video. I hope you all will be fine. So today I'm here. Today I'm here to telling about you how you can design your modern wall. To design a modern front wall, you can follow these steps. The first one is research. Yeah, research is your first point. Look for inspiration and ideas online or in home design magazine. Take note of the different styles and design elements that catch your eyes and consider how they might fit into your own design. The number two step is determine your budget. Decide how much you are willing to spend on your front wall design. This will help you choose materials and plans your design accordingly. Number third is consider your home style. Your front wall design should complement the style of your home. Consider the architecture, style, and color scheme of your home and choose design that will enhance its overall aesthetics. The number four is choose materials. Decide on the materials you want to use for your front wall design. This could include tiles, stone, bricks, or even wood paneling. Choose material they are durable and weather resistant. The number five is plan your design. Sketch out your front wall design and consider factors such as pattern, part, color pattern, pa- color pattern and texture. Be sure to take into account any agricultural feature of your home that you want to highlight or downplay. Hire a professional. If you are not confident in your design skills, consider hiring a professional designer to contract to help you bring your vision to life. Remember, a modern front wall design should be visually striking